guys, what's next? Let's open more
Well,
Paw Patrol.
that's the last one.
Yeah, it's the last Paw Patrol. There's the bird. Put it on the floor, 'cause I'm gonna get mad at you. Slipped out of my hand. Pop it again. Maybe we're not doing. Ew, I don't like this candy. Gonna make me go. We got more candy. And then we got Rocky.
Can I have it close up?
It's the green pup.
Can I have it close up?
Yes, wait.
Where is it?
I have to pick something up. Wait. This was gonna fall down. Let's see how we play this one. Okay, it's the same. Yeah. So let's take the sticker out. Yep,
More
it's
sticker, the same sticker. Then you
Let's
can give
put
it away.
Another tattoo on her face. Let's put Marshall tattoo. Gotta spell 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We gotta stick it on, and then peel it off, and then peel it off, and then put it here, and then we just look. Okay, now. Bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us big thumbs up, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.